guys, welcome to EP Summer Event. I'm Tom. Here, I'm gonna introduce our next series, new generation stacker, WSA. This is a WSA161. This WSA uses the new hydraulic system. It can lift up to 4.5 meters in 15 seconds, 260 millimeters per second, the lifting speed, and 300 millimeters per second, the lowering speed. It's double speed compared to our normal WA series, so it will help a lot in your efficiency work. In the tiller head, this is the proportional speed. It can mix the lifting and the lowering perfectly smoothly. The more you push, the faster speed you can get. The operator also can feel it very convenient and comfortable when handling it. In the first side, as you can see, the newly designed mast. With this new designed mast structure, we put the cylinder in the side position this time. And this shows the mast thickness at 85 millimeters. Then the turning radius of this machine is only 1,502 millimeters. This makes this machine a very smart stacker. Furthermore, the turtle speed is the standard feature for this stacker. The WSA also equips the lithium battery, 100 ampere-hour as the standard battery, and the 205 ampere-hour, the bigger battery as option. It can work 3 to 4 hours. With this internal charger, it's very convenient and it can be fully charged within 3 hours. So for this WSA, if you have more questions, please feel free to contact your sales.